Afternoon. This demonstration will show you how to use a awesome table to help identify students that may need some special assistance or that you want to just focus in a little different attention on. So what the awesome table is a giant spreadsheet, and I have chosen not to reflect data in this demonstration because I don't want any of the students' names to be out there. So what I have done is introduce this spreadsheet into an awesome table, which basically allows us to query, and I'm clearing out my queries right now. So you can see down below we have all the different titles and all the different areas of a spreadsheet. But what you can simply do is then use these tools up here to factor in which students you want to look at. So let's just say we were concerned with students that were getting, certain scores in the fall below, a certain level. We can set our content filter here, and then instantly we'll reduce those students down. We can also filter on grade levels. So in this instance, this is just a sample spreadsheet. We can take out all the 9th and 10th graders and just have 11th graders and say we want to look at 11th graders who have a certain score. We can also do it the other way and say we want kids with the higher scores. So you can identify students that are doing really well too. And you have the ability to look at the fall, the winter, and then the fall and the winter in the reading and the math scores. So those are indicated by M fall, M winter. Reading is indicated by R fall and R winter. You can also sort on course, so you can take a look at the different courses the students have taken and the grades they've gotten. And then it's also filtered by subject code. So if you want to just look at, let's say we want to just look at all English courses, let's just cut out everything else. We can do that. Then you can also filter on grades in quarter 1 and grades in quarter 2. You can also dial up just a student by name. So if you want to type in a name here, you can do that, and it'll instantly pull up that particular kid. So if you just want to review a particular kid, you can do that. The goal of this awesome table is to identify students that may need a little extra help or may need a little extra homework because they're doing so awesome, or they're maybe not doing so awesome. I would also encourage you to make sure you do not restrict your filters too tight. It's a really good idea to have them to be just a little broader than what you're looking for so that we can identify those students that are either just above your criteria or just below your criteria. We want to also monitor the ones that might be just on the brink of, needing assistance. We don't want to just assume that everything's great and that there's either bad or not bad. There's always those right on the cusp of needing help. So if you have any questions, by all means, give me a ring. I'm happy to take a phone call at my extension at 1080, and we can walk you through this. And if you need different data entered into this, I can actually help you with that too. Thanks so much for participating. If you have any questions, give me a call.